Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, in this video we will be discussing about the off-campus hiring from Google, Microsoft, Zoho and TVS Next. This is the freshers hiring where final year candidates are also eligible to apply. So let's see more details about the jobs. So the first hiring is from Microsoft. Microsoft is hiring for their research intern for Bangalore location. So talking about the type of work, then up to 50% of your work will be from work from home and rest 50% of your work will be from work from office mode. So this is an internship position at Microsoft where the graduate or the final year candidates who are currently pursuing BE BTech from any branches or discipline can apply for this research intern. So basically talking about the internship, then you will be working with the world's best research team where you will be collaborating, networking and learning about various fields. So during your internship phase, you will be directly working under R&D department of Microsoft. So to apply for this internship, you have to click on the official link where you have to fill all the required necessary details. Second hiring is from Zoho. Zoho is hiring for technical support engineer for their Chennai, Salem, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli and Madurai location. So any graduate or final year candidates who have recently completed their degree from any branches or discipline with no minimum percentage criteria can apply for this opportunity. Third hiring is from TVS Next Limited. They are hiring for the software engineer role. With experience 0 to 1 year, it means freshers are eligible to apply for this job. So talking about the basic qualification, then you should be having your BE BTech from any specialization or field. So talking about the technical skills, then you should be having good understanding in data structures and algorithm with a knowledge in OOPS concept where you should be proficient in C++ and Java language. You should be also having basic knowledge in web-based technologies like HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, CSS and the fundamental knowledge in database concept and SQL. And if you are having the knowledge in manual testing or automation, then it will be an advantage for this role. Fourth hiring and the last hiring for this video is from Google. So Google is hiring for senior security specialist for their Bangalore, Hyderabad, Gurgaon and Pune location where you will be required a minimum 3 to 5 years of experience. So this is a full-time opportunity where you will be working from office 5 days a week. So if you are eligible for this job, then you must apply, or if you know someone who is fit for this job, then you can also share with them. So these were the 4 hiring opportunities. According to your eligibility, you can apply for all these jobs. And if you haven't watched our previous videos related to Amazon, Walmart, Deloitte, PwC, Ground Truth, all the jobs are for freshers hiring. So you must watch the video and apply for this opportunity. And also consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. Thank you.